Flash floods are fierce, fast, and relentless, sweeping away everything in their path. Your one-click subscribe is the motivation for me to make more quality videos. When a giant plane cuts through a dense cloud, it splits into two walls of fog and reveals a beautiful blue sky. Watch CCTV footage of the powerful earthquake that hit Nepal in 2015. It seems like God has used up all her luck today.
Abis.
That moment of silence signaled something terrible was about to happen. It seems that nature also wants to celebrate their happiness. Thank God they are okay. This man was driving in a car when he suddenly noticed rocks starting to rain down from the top of the mountain. Luckily, they were only a few seconds late. Oh, the sky is gloomy and heavy, as if silently foretelling an impending disaster. This natural attraction has attracted tourists to visit the Tiger Leaping Gorge. Yunnan, a sudden landslide caused giant rocks to fall down, dust to cover, and the bridge to collapse. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but left behind the horror of the fierce power of nature. If you could witness the Helheim Glacier collapse with your own eyes, would you call it a majestic beauty or a natural nightmare? Leave a number 1 to let me know your opinion. Thousands of birds suddenly flew out of the treetops at the same time. The sight filled the sky and made the whole space seem to move. That is why you need to be proactive in evacuating as soon as there is a flood warning, because when nature gets angry, nothing can stop it. The cars in UTL are just a small part compared to the terrible destruction that floods cause. I will sacrifice myself for your creation, the universe, and your painting. This hail was dangerous and huge, like the real stones that were falling from the sky in 2014. A massive tsunami hit Japan with powerful waves, covering large areas, leaving widespread devastation. Believe it or not, this raging torrent destroyed a small village in India. This CCTV footage shows a teacher lecturing to students in a classroom when a powerful earthquake suddenly struck on the 30th of November, 2018, causing chaos in the classroom.
We're okay. Everybody's okay, right? Stay underneath the table.
Sign up now to join us in turning natural scenes into survival lessons. Holy shit! This guy captured some dramatic and dangerous rockfall footage. Are you okay? The landslide in Colombia washed away everything. The helplessness was evident on the faces of car owners. It's unbelievable. California is in chaos as landslides destroy roads and cars. A devastating display of nature's fury.
God! Holy cow! Oh my God! Please.
Can you imagine? More than 300,000 cubic meters of rock collapsed in southern Switzerland. Fortunately, causing no casualties, but leaving an unforgettable haunting for those who witnessed it. Quick, the ground is breaking. A massive landslide in North Sikkim is sweeping away everything in its path. In just a moment, Pingtung, Taiwan turned into a chaotic scene as rocks and soil from the mountainside rumbled down like a tsunami. From the 25th of July to 29, 2025, torrential rains in Sichuan, southwest China, triggered a new wave of landslides in this geologically vulnerable area. a spectacular view of the Fagradalsfjall volcano in Iceland. On the 30th of June, 2024, in Pataniki village in Kishtwar district, India, after hours of heavy overnight rains that loosened the soil, a hillside suddenly collapsed, turning the quiet slope into a scene of violent and desolate landslides. Nothing is more important than putting the supermarket's shopping cart back in its proper place, even in stormy weather or hailstorms. Nothing can stop that. Oh no! Look, you've truly been defeated by nature. It's a gruesome devastation caused by lightning strikes. Have you ever wondered if that tree could survive such a shock? It's so silly that you're standing there just holding your phone and filming the train shooting snow all over your face. What a humorous situation. Oh no, if you let go, you will be blown away like balloons floating in the sky. Run now before the sandstorm sweeps everyone into the sea. The terrible destruction from landslides can cause powerful and terrifying floods. Interesting moment. Days after the flood, the water level rose, and these fish had a cross-border competition to find a new home by swimming across the road following the water current. Welcome to the moments when lightning strikes the ground and branches out. It always follows the path of least resistance. That's why it often strikes trees, poles, telephones, and streetlights. However, you know that lightning does not always hit the highest objects.
Wow.
This is just a small tornado that suddenly appeared in the neighborhood and is not dangerous.
Wow. You ever seen anything like this?
Perhaps it is so strange that people enjoy witnessing this tornado.
Right now, 2 tornadoes on the ground. One due south and the other one just next to us.
So what if this tornado forms larger?
Hey, hold up for me. We've got deviant motion. Deviant motion. Dude.
Don't tease fish, and especially feed them your way. It's dangerous. It's crazy because Camel just wants to join in the fun and steal some food from these tourists. These two guys' journey to explore big waves seemed to be stopped when they accidentally suffered a huge tsunami.